Hey guys, Animus Travels and Travels with Animus here. Please like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and leave me comments on my YouTube channel, Travels with Animus. And like, follow, and share, and leave me comments here on my TikTok channel, Animus Travels. So, late breaking news I have for you guys is San Leandro had an earthquake around 9:27, 9:28 a.m. this morning. At first, it was a 3.21 quake, I believe. And then it was a 3.1 8 quake. But either way, in there was only minor damage in San Leandro. Just letting you know that it was not that bad, and there was only minor damage. Sorry, I just got back from my Special Olympics practice. So, just thought I'd let you guys know about all this. So again, please like, follow, share, and leave me comments here. And like, subscribe, share, ring the notification bell, and leave me comments on my YouTube channel, Travels with Animus.